So here's just a quick demonstration of how to fit this into your dash. Make sure that, of course, the orientation is correct. Obviously, you need the cable spacing to face up so your cable can bypass it. And you have these two hooks area that's going to be facing up also, where it's going to be corresponding catching the hooks on your dash. And we're just going to plug these two right into the two holes here that's on your dashboard. And the trick is to line them up and make sure it could be, I mean, I have installed this numerous times, so it's pretty loose, but yours could be a little bit tight. But I want to make sure that you just make sure that you push all the way in, that this needs to be flush with your dash. So push all the way in. You can feel it, this is not going any farther. And once you're done, and it's gonna just catch very nicely here. Unhook, hook. So that's the correct way to do it.